Okay, friends, so yesterday you guys should have watched a video about an introduction to mapping, okay? If you did not watch that video, please go back and watch that from the playlist yesterday. It was the last video in the playlist yesterday. If you did not watch it, you are going to be lost during our project today. So please go watch it. All right, my friends, first we are going to go ahead and go back and write our name just like we did on our last project. If you do not have this out yet, please pause this video and go and get the booklet that says My Book of Map Skills. Don't forget to pause when you walk away. Okay, welcome back, friends. Now that you have your book of map skills, please go to the bottom and write your names. I'm going to write my name at the bottom. You can write it in pencil. I'm writing it in red so that you can see. Miss Bach. Of course, after you're done, you can go back and color this lovely cover. I am not going to do that right now just because we have lots of parts of the book that I want to fill out. Okay, let's go ahead and open to the first page. It says color. I think that every single page is going to give us some instructions. So let's go ahead and see. Color the land green. Color the water blue. Okay, now we know that the land are these parts. I'll get my arrow. Are these parts because they have like the kind of geometric shapes. All of this stuff in the middle is blue. It's going to be the water. So let's go back and color the land green. That's what we're going to do first. So everyone get out your green crayon and we're going to color the land green. So pause the video and color the land green. Okay, awesome job, guys. Remember, if you need more time, you can pause. We're going to now do the second direction. Color the water blue. So let's go back, find a blue color. You can get your blue crayon out, and we're going to color the water blue. Go ahead and color that water blue. Of course, you can go back if you have time and color the side of that globe. You don't have to if you don't want to. I think I will just for fun. Now, the last thing we have to do is fill out at the bottom what it says. This is does anyone know what this is? Awesome job. This is a globe. So we're going to make a box and you guys can copy what I write, globe. This is a globe. 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 Now remember, you can always pause the video if you need to write the word. All right, moving on to our third page, map symbols. This is giving us lots of different map symbols. All we're going to do is review, and then you can go back and color them if you want. This is a symbol that means mountains, okay? And you can see that the symbols are on the map right here. We have a symbol for transportation. This is a bus. This is a plane. This is a symbol for gas station. So if you ever are driving and you're running out of gas, you want to look for this symbol. This is a symbol for lodging. Lodging means like a hotel or a place that you can sleep and stay for the night. What do you think this symbol means? It has a fork and a knife. I bet you know what that means. It means food. So if you're driving and you're hungry, you want to make sure that you are looking for this symbol of food. This symbol is tracks. What type of transportation runs on the track? That's right, the train. So a train runs on tracks. So this symbol means train. Here we have the symbol for water, the symbol for houses, a symbol for forest, and here we have the symbol for road. You can see that all of the symbols are being used on the map right here. After this video is over, you can either go back and color, or right now you can pause the video and color in your map symbols page. Let's move on to page 4. This page is very important. This is where we're going to learn our cardinal directions. Cardinal directions. Now, there are 4 primary directions. That would be north, okay, south, if I'm going my way, west, and east. So we're going to write these all on our compass. So this is called a compass. In the middle, I want you to write that word, compass, and it should look like that. We'll make it a little bit bigger so you can read it. And that's a silly looking font. This one's perfect. So go ahead and fill in that word compass. You can always pause if you need more time. The first direction we're going to fill in is north. So right up here at the top, we're going to fill in the word north. North on a compass always points up. The second direction we're going to fill in, remember you can always pause if you need more time, is south. South on a compass always points down. The next direction that we're going to fill in is east. East always points to the right on a compass. Remember, if I don't give you enough time to write it, please pause the video and copy. That is the joy of video learning. You can always pause if you need more time. And lastly, over here, we're going to fill in the direction called west. North, south, east, and west. If you can, please fill in some arrows that point each way. After you've done that, we're going to go ahead and move to the 5th page, the final page, okay, of our mapping booklet. Remember, if you don't have enough time, you can always pause, and if you don't have enough time to color in the edges, you can do that at the end. Okay, it says the United States of America. It says color your state. We live in the state of Virginia. So you can choose any color you want and fill in Virginia with that color. I think I'm going to go for purple. So color in Virginia, that is our state. It's the state that we live in, and once you've colored it in, you can go ahead and go back and do all of the detail in the book, and that's it for our mapping unit today. Have an awesome day.